Hello. Hi.
You going in? You going in? You're going in.
Oh, aye, a wee beach. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is cool, aye. Oh, look at this. That's lovely. You go right in there.
Hello there. Does she go in the water? Does she go in the water?
Sometimes, but she's tired now.
Yes, she.
Oh. Another little dog.
Hello. Hello there.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Right, I'll put this off for now and we'll go and get our dinner. What was that? A balti?
Aye.
And that's biryani. Aye, this is nice. The old mill inn. Oh, that's cute. Let me go see this. Let's go and see. Little Britain again. Right. Really cover other tables. The bakery.
You there.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Is the fire on? No, it's no one. Making a YouTube video, say hiya.
What's your YouTube channel?
Audrey S.
Audrey S. Alright, okay. I'll subscribe to you.
Okay, I'm gonna change the name anyway, but I'm getting there. Right, right. Tuesday morning it was about 8:30.
Aye. Oh, aye.
I used to have one of them.
That's right. Aye.
Morning.
Right, is that it?
Aye, that's it. Look at the bagpipes behind us. Is that where we're going to go, down there? Aye, right, we need to cross.
Do not eat.
So if you ever come to Pitlochry to see the Highland Games, this is where you come. It's just one day. I think it's in September, usually. Great wee day. The wee park there. Oh, hello. Hi, little birdie.
And then Fulham lived on the always a full 2
It's on repeat. Oh,
on
there's the live
so,
feed over
yes.
there.
We even went to an opera.
Let's have a
There's
look.
an opera house in the middle, the city in the middle of the house. And it was that's where I was.
Over the dam and into the loch behind it. See something? I think that's just like air bubbles you can see. Right, so we're nearly at the top of the ladder. So we're going to do a wee Burley and go back. A wee Burlington. And back down. Let's see if I can hold this up. One more made it. 181. One's made it up. Yay! We'll come back on at the Pitlochry Inn. Wee rocks on the seats. Oh, that's so cute. That's beautiful. Hiya. Afternoon tea. Right, there's the lavatory. I'm guessing it's this way. Maybe no. No? Oh. We sign till me to duck. Oh, just before we head away, I thought I'd get another wee angle of this guy. I've seen quite a few salmon jumping the time I've been sitting here. They jump right in front of the fishermen as well. It must be a noise up. But I spoke to the girl in here and she says that they have to put the salmon back. If they catch one, they don't get to keep it anymore. They used to be able to till about 5 years ago, and now they're not allowed because it's a protected species. So there you go. So when we leave here, we're going to go past the wee whisky distillery and see if it's open to get a wee miniature to take home with me. Let's get back on the road. Oh, the wee fox's ornament head there has got glasses. Oh, we'll take a left here, go back over the suspension bridge. One last look at these. Oh, it's wobbly. Oh no, you keep moving, it makes you feel sick. Can you see that? That's how much this bridge is bouncing. Oh my god. So please report your sightings. Oh, so that's why, because they don't want them and I'm bringing nuts to feed them?
They only want the red squirrels.
Ah. Well, that's why I've not seen a squirrel. Right. There are the wee bum. Right, so I think just over. Right, we're up the other end of the field. So we'll go out here and we'll see where that distillery is. See if it's opened. Oh, I've just got a midgie and I'm swallowing midgies. Oh, so that is the distillery, Blair Atholl. And this is the main road coming into Pitlochry. Right, with nothing coming, I'm going. Please be open. Oh, it is. It's a. Oh, let's go in now. How cute. I shall get the whiskey. How much? £400? Aye, go on then. You've talked me into it. I better put this on slow. Oh, there's the wee things that you get the flight in. So you'd have 3 little glasses with different ones. I think it's a half a bottle or something though, it's no...
inches. I'm afraid the 20cl is the smallest we go. We never actually have kept asking them, but they say no to this small. Yeah. Well, we did have them like years and years
Uh-huh.
ago, but you can't get them now. No.
Right.
Sorry
Okay.
about that.
That's alright. Hmm. Okay.
It's just down Sam's over.
Uh-huh. I'll get that one then. Oh, it is a 12-year. Thank you.
No writing.
Thank you. Bye.
Did you get
Yep.
the thing we won?
It's a 12-year-old, so it's not so bad actually.
Yeah. Is that my taste?
No, not had a taste. Would be nice. Where'd you get a taste?
If you got.
Would they?
Yeah, I'm surprised if but if you spend your money now, you're not getting a taste.
Done and dusted. The deal's done.
Right, I'm stopping skiving, honest. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, and you. Bye.
Aye.
So viewing gallery and shop.
Due to the nature of the process, no two halogens are the same, making it a very individual, personal gift. The complete range of halogens can be seen here, including any special and new designs recently created, many not available elsewhere. So thank you for visiting our viewing gallery and shop.
Carefully.
Is now ready to transform into unique designs.
Okay.